Okay, so this is the hotel, you guys. This is the hotel. Woo! Me too.
Oh my god!
Wow, look at that. Look at that. Wow. Wow, look at that. Look at that. Wow. Ooh, you got his shoes. You got your key? You got your key?
I got my key. I got the
I
card.
don't got my key. My key.
I got the card. I got the card.
I don't got my key. No key. Wait, this is a room. 226. 226, I thought. Oh.
I want to show you people something. This is where I get the ice.
The ice.
The ice. It's soda.
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 Soda, look. Mountain Dew.
Dr. Pepper.
Dr. Pepper. I think it's like every Filipino's dream because there's a doctor. Aquafina. Ofina. That's my mom's name. Diet Pepsi. Sorira Mist. Regular Pepsi, it is $1 only. Ooh, $1 for ice cold drinks. Look, it is ice. It is ice. Look at the ice. Wow. How does this work? Oh, I better go. Look at this, 26. Oh, there goes the pen. Those are the parents. You see those? That's Pina and Rick.
Are you sure that's the... Okay.
That is our room.
Why? Looks like...
Why isn't it going? Oh, we got it open. Let's go inside. That was a nice wedding, don't you think? I think so.
It sure was.
Oh, look at the bathroom. Look at the bathroom. Hi. Hi. Where was that? What? Oh, he just bent over. What? Wow, it's so dark in here.
Here's the flower.
The flower. Wow. Guys, see, you see this? This is water. This is like the best drink ever. Ever. It's the best drink ever. You drink this, right? And you don't get drunk. But when you get sex on a beach or vodka, yeah, you get drunk. You get like this. Like this. You see this? You get drunk. This is the bathroom. Oh shit, I have low battery. Hi.
No, not even.
What? What?
The